Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for 2FA with Google account detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for two-factor authentication with your Google account, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Once logged in, find the Security tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Security tab to access your security settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Signing into Google. Under this section, look for the option that says Two-Step Verification. Click on Two-Step Verification to start the setup process. You may need to enter your password again for security reasons. Next, click the blue Get Started button on the Two-Step Verification page. Choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You can select either a text message or a voice call to your mobile number. If you choose to receive messages, enter your phone number and click Next. A verification code will be sent to your mobile device. Check your phone for the code, then enter it on the screen. Click Next after entering the verification code. If the code is correct, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you have the option to enable backup options. These can include backup codes or an authenticator app. It's highly recommended to set these up for added security. Once your preferences are set, click Turn On to activate two-step verification. A final confirmation screen will appear, indicating that 2FA is enabled. You can now sign out of your Google account. When you sign back in, you will be prompted for your 2FA method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Your Google account is now secured with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.